Okay, so my name is Kimio Matthews. I'm from Japan. I've been here in Stony Point about 35 years. I opened Stony Point Massage 6 years ago in this building. When you think about massage, it's usually spa. Oftentimes people don't connect massage and solving the issue with their physical problem. When you have tension, it's not just a little tension. If you are having a pain or mobility issue and the muscle is like rock, it doesn't stretch, you know that rock doesn't stretch. So you have to knead the muscle to make it soft, so that's how massage help.
Hi, I'm Kayla Casey. I am one of the licensed massage therapists that work here at Stony Point Massage. And I'm about to get started on a 60-minute therapeutic massage session with my client. She came in complaining of neck and upper back pain as well as lower back pain that goes down into her legs. That's a very common complaint we hear from our clients. A lot of people might think that they have sciatica, but no, it's just that the piriformis has gotten so tight and so wound up and inflamed that it impinges on the sciatic nerve.
My hope is that people in Rockland can live their lives pain-free and enjoy doing things what they really love to do.